Investing wisely is crucial for financial success. It's not just about earning returns, but also about minimizing tax liabilities. Mutual funds offer a tax-efficient way to grow your wealth. They provide diversification and professional management, making them suitable for both seasoned and novice investors. Within the mutual fund universe, equity-linked savings schemes, or ELSS, stand out for their compelling tax advantages. ELSS funds fall under the category of tax-saving mutual funds. They offer investors the opportunity to reduce their taxable income while building wealth over the long term. These funds primarily invest in equity markets, providing the potential for capital appreciation along with tax benefits. Understanding the nuances of ELSS can empower you to make informed investment decisions that align with your financial goals. In the following sections, we'll delve deeper into the world of ELSS, exploring its tax benefits, growth potential, and how it can be a valuable addition to your investment portfolio. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting your financial journey, this guide will provide valuable insights into maximizing your returns while minimizing your tax burden. ELSS, or Equity-Linked Savings Scheme, is a type of mutual fund that offers tax benefits under Section 80C of the Income Tax Act, 1961. It's designed to encourage long-term savings and investments in the equity market. ELSS funds invest a significant portion of their corpus in equity and equity-related instruments, aiming for capital appreciation over time. One of the key features of ELSS is the lock-in period. Investments in ELSS funds come with a mandatory lock-in period of 3 years. This means you cannot withdraw your investment before the completion of 3 years from the date of investment. While this might seem restrictive, it promotes a disciplined investment approach and allows your investments to grow over the long term. Despite the lock-in period, ELSS remains a popular choice among investors due to its tax-saving benefits and potential for high returns. The lock-in period also aligns with the long-term growth perspective of equity markets, making ELSS a suitable option for investors seeking wealth creation over time. Section 80C of the Income Tax Act, 1961, plays a crucial role in tax planning for Indian citizens and residents. It allows individuals and Hindu undivided families, or HUFs, to claim deductions from their taxable income by investing in specified investment avenues, including ELSS. Investments made in ELSS up to a limit of 1.5 lakhs in a financial year are eligible for a tax deduction under Section 80C. This means that by investing in ELSS, you can reduce your taxable income by the amount invested up to 1.5 lakhs. This deduction can lead to significant tax savings, especially for individuals in higher tax brackets. For example, if your taxable income is 12 lakhs and you invest 1.5 lakhs in ELSS, your taxable income will be reduced to 10.5 lakhs. This reduction in taxable income can result in substantial tax savings, making ELSS an attractive investment option for tax-conscious individuals. ELSS funds, with their equity-oriented investment approach, have the potential to generate significant long-term wealth growth. This growth potential is amplified by the power of compounding. Compounding refers to the process of earning returns not only on your original investment, but also on the accumulated returns. When you invest in ELSS for the long term, your investments have the opportunity to compound over time. The returns generated each year are reinvested, and these reinvested returns start earning returns themselves. This compounding effect can create a snowball effect, leading to exponential growth in your investments over time. The longer the investment horizon, the more powerful the compounding effect becomes. This is why ELSS, with its lock-in period of 3 years, is well suited for long-term financial goals like retirement planning or funding your children's education. The combination of equity exposure and the power of compounding makes ELSS a potent tool for wealth creation. Section 5. Tax savings and high returns, a winning combination. ELSS offers a unique proposition for investors. the dual benefits of tax savings and the potential for high returns. This combination is what sets ELSS apart from other tax-saving instruments. While traditional tax-saving options like fixed deposits offer guaranteed returns, they often come with lower interest rates. ELSS, on the other hand, invests in equity markets, which have historically delivered higher returns over the long term compared to fixed income instruments. Although equity investments carry a certain level of risk, the potential for higher returns makes ELSS an attractive option for investors seeking to grow their wealth while minimizing their tax liabilities. The tax savings achieved through ELSS investments can further enhance your overall returns. The money saved on taxes can be reinvested, amplifying the compounding effect and contributing to your long-term wealth creation journey. This winning combination of tax savings and high return potential makes ELSS a compelling investment option for investors across different risk profiles. Section 6. ELSS versus other tax-saving options. A comparative analysis. When it comes to tax-saving investments under Section 80C, ELSS faces competition from various other options like Public Provident Fund or PPF, National Pension System or NPS, and tax-saving fixed deposits. While each instrument has its own merits and demerits, ELSS stands out due to its unique combination of features. PPF offers guaranteed returns and enjoys EEE, exempt tax status, meaning the contributions, interest earned, and maturity amount are all tax-free. However, PPF has a lock-in period of 15 years, which can be restrictive for some investors. NPS, on the other hand, is a retirement-focused investment scheme that offers tax benefits but has a longer lock-in period until retirement. Tax-saving fixed deposits offer guaranteed returns and a shorter lock-in period of 5 years compared to PPF. However, the returns are generally lower compared to ELSS, and the interest income is taxable. ELSS, with its shorter lock-in period of 3 years, potential for higher returns, and tax benefits under Section 80C, offers a balanced approach for investors seeking both tax savings and wealth growth. Section 7. Getting started with ELSS. A step-by-step guide. Investing in ELSS is a straightforward process. You can invest in ELSS funds through various channels, including online platforms of mutual fund houses, brokerage accounts, and distributor platforms. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. First, ensure you are KYC, Know Your Customer, compliant. You can complete your KYC online or offline through various intermediaries like mutual fund houses and banks. Next, research and select an ELSS fund that aligns with your investment goals, risk tolerance, and investment horizon. Consider factors like fund performance, expense ratio, and fund manager's track record. Then, decide on your investment mode. Lump sum or SIPI, systematic investment plan. Lump sum investment involves investing a large amount at once, while SIP allows you to invest a fixed amount regularly. Finally, provide your personal and bank account details. Select the ELSS fund and investment amount and make the payment through your preferred mode. Once you have invested in an ELSS fund, you will receive regular account statements and updates on your investment's performance. Remember that ELSS investments have a lock-in period of 3 years, so you can redeem your units only after the completion of the lock-in period. Section 8. Claim your rewards. Rs 21,000 bonus and free financial calculators. Now that you understand the power of ELSS and how it can help you save tax while growing your wealth, it's time to take action. To show our appreciation for your commitment to financial literacy, we're offering a special reward, a chance to earn a Rs 21,000 bonus and claim 10 free financial calculators. Here's how you can claim your rewards. First, invest any amount in an ELSS fund of your choice before, mention a deadline. Then, take a screenshot of your ELSS investment confirmation and send it to us on WhatsApp at provide a WhatsApp number. Once we verify your investment, you'll receive a link to claim your Rs 21,000 bonus and download 10 free financial calculators. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to boost your financial well-being. Invest in ELSS today, claim your rewards, and embark on your journey toward financial freedom.